Salibonani bantu bakithi linjani lapha likhona ngezindawo laba se-UK labo siyalibingelela ama-diaspora mbethiwa ngama-diaspora noma kuyini khona salibingelela obingelela nguZane Golide ngihamba lesilwane seganga lapha vele njengoba yabona nje isilwane seganga uDubu Mthembu. Anyways guys, lapha okusiletha kini phambi kwamehlweni namhlanje sile connection kuthiwa i-plug ngesikhiwa connection sidayisa amateki very cheap price, we deliver door to door delivery, very cheap price. Wena uphela uyafaka nje i-order yakho kule number waba sizayifaka lapho order khona inumber. Sidayisa amateki amahle kakhulu, original no fake, tracksuit original no fake. We deliver door to door. As long as you are around South Africa, we deliver very nice clothing, very nice tracksuit, very nice shoes. So please place your order very soon. Siyabonga.
Salibonani bantu bakithi na sihlalo seganga uMakhekhiseni somnandi Dube umthembu Themba eDwelisi bakithi namhlanje silethe uMelody ngamateka ngoba labone ilandelana senze nje nezithombe kwana lapha kulandelana kanje bantu bakithi abantu basondele bebe bahle kwana lapha kuMelody inumber yakhe naye kwana lapha siyachiya la.
Siyabonga bantu bakithi, support local business.